Hi everyone, this is Arvind from MindMajix, and today I welcome you all to this amazing session on SAP Hybris interview questions. And in this particular video, whatever questions we are covering, we have roughly divided them into three categories. The first category of questions is for freshers. The second category of questions is for the experienced people. And the third category of questions is the most frequently asked questions on SAP Hybris. So guys, this is the agenda for this particular video. And before moving ahead, I want you guys to subscribe to MindMajix YouTube channel and also hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. So without any further delay, let's get started with our first question. So the first question over here is, what is Hybris? So an omni-channel platform for e-commerce websites is known as Hybris. So business users can use it to manage their sites, administrative controls, products, and other content pages like the catalog. So this was a quick definition of Hybris. And now the next question is, what is SAP Hybris? So a German company known as Hybris is responsible for developing the SAP Hybris suite of products. SAP Hybris is a software company specializing in service, e-commerce, deals, product content, administration, and marketing. So businesses using SAP Hybris can save money and their time by using these tools effectively. The next question is, what is the programming language that is used to create Hybris? So Hybris was built with the help of Java programming language, and the front end was created with the help of JavaScript language. The next important question is, what is SAP Hybris used for? So SAP Hybris is primarily used to develop e-commerce applications for businesses on the enterprise level. So most mid-sized large businesses are likely to use Hybris in their applications. Users of Hybris can get all the connections that they need to advance and expand their businesses. The next question is, what is the new name of SAP Hybris? The new name of SAP Hybris is SAP Commerce Cloud. The next question is, what is SAP Hybris framework? The SAP Hybris platform was developed to support business to business or B2B and business to customer, which is B2C workloads in terms of scalability and high order volumes. The authentication and access control framework is highly customizable, which is one of the reasons SAP Hybris is so effective in terms of security. The next question is SAP Hybris a CRM? The new SAP Hybris was a platform for the omnichannel e-commerce solutions that included a family of products focused on the customer relationship management or CRM. The next question is SAP Commerce Cloud the same as Hybris? So the answer to this question is yes. SAP Commerce Cloud was known as Hybris before being acquired by SAP. Consequently, there is zero distinction between the two. They belong to the SAP product family and serve the same purpose but use different names. The next question is, what is initialization in Hybris? So guys, as you can see, like in this particular question, a diagram for our reference. And whenever you're asked such a question in the actual interview as well, so what you can do is you can grab a piece of paper and on that paper, you can draw this diagram. So in the actual interview, drawing a diagram will create a very good impression of yours on the interviewer. So initialization removes any previously stored type definitions from the database, generates the database schema and the type system, and imports any necessary additional system data. Before it is initialized, the system needs to perform all of its function properly. After initialization, all the previously stored data in the database will be deleted. The next question is, who uses SAP Hybris? So some well-known companies that use SAP Hybris customer list include AVG, Metas, Tata, Reliance, 21 Diamonds, Chamberlain Group, Qantas, Hoffman Group, Haier, Henkel, Amway, Grove, Nestle, Adler, and Lewis. The next question is, what is the workflow in Hybris? So the Hybris platform makes it easy to design customized workflow examples. Users can create workflows that execute sequentially or based on the tasks performed. Email alerts are sent out instantly in the workflow to keep the users in the loop. The next question is, name some release versions of SAP Hybris. So new release versions of Hybris are Hybris 6.5 and Hybris 6.8. The next question is, list the properties of the SAP property group. So some of the properties of SAP product group are, as you can see on the screen, marketing, service, commerce, sales, and revenue. The next question is, what exactly do you mean by SAP Hybris Cloud for customers? The German company Hybris sells marketing, e-commerce, product content management software, and sales and service under the brand name SAP Hybris. So SAP Hybris offers a solution that enables businesses to reduce expenses, save time, simplify operations, and devote less attention to achieve superior customer experiences. The next question is, how do you start the Hybris server? Launching the Hybris server by running the hybris server.bat file in the Hybris platform's installation directory is possible. So this is the way to start the Hybris server. So the next question over here is, in Hybris, what kind of search engine do we use? So the Solar engine is made available in Hybris. With search being a non-cost option, it can be used immediately. And Hybris element search is a potent tool. The next question is SAP Hybris scalable? So Hybris is as scalable as any other Java-based platform because it is also a Spring JE-based platform. So that node will be added to the cluster without any manual intervention from Hybris. It employs per server distributed caching, and its default cache invalidation via UDP is highly effective. The next question is, what are the main advantages of using Hybris over other platforms like Magento or Salesforce Commerce Cloud? So Hybris is a highly effective e-commerce platform that provides excellent adaptability and scalability to its users. So it is also effortless to use, which makes it a good choice for companies that want to get their operations up and running as quickly as possible. Apart from this, Hybris comes with many pre-installed features, whereas other platforms may require various plugins or extensions to provide the same functionality. It can help save both money as well as time. The next question is, what are different Hybris modeling techniques? So guys, as you can see on the screen, there are 7 different types of Hybris modeling techniques, and those are map types, item types, items.xml, relational types, collective types, enum types, and atomic types. The next question is, name the Hybris advanced personalization rules. So the rules that are used to implement advanced personalization via Hybris systems are cart rules, order rules, website rules, and customer rules. The next question is, what does Hybris as a service request from an association? So Hybris is a service that requires a set of digital marketing and e-commerce skills to generate multi-year roadmaps and improve customer understanding. Therefore, invest in the best e-commerce and the product content administration software to ensure your success in the future. Apart from this, you can participate in the SAP Hybris training program that was designed and is being given by the industry professionals. The next question is, what are the capabilities of the SAP Hybris Cloud for customer sales? The SAP Customer for Customer Sales solution offers the capabilities such as sales performance management, sales force automation, and retail execution. The next question is, can you explain what Hybris Workflow is? So Hybris Workflow is an application for managing and automating business processes. It helps the companies define and carry out processes standardized and effectively. Order processing, customer service, and advertising campaigns are just some of the many activities that can be automated with the help of workflow. The next question is SAP Hybris an entirely functional CMS? So there are better choices than SAP WCMS or SAP Hybris if you need to control multiple iterations of content or just content management. So it is not wise to limit its uses to CMS alone, even though it's suitable for any e-commerce platform. The next question is, what are the differences between Hybris and WCS or ATG? So to compare, WCS or ATG only supports commerce management on browsers with a Flash user interface. At the same time, Hybris allows users to store, edit, and manage a company's catalog and product information. Hybris and WCS are compatible with the authoring and production environment ATG provides. To put in simple words, Hybris is easier to use than WCS ATG. The next question is, how do you discover what versions of Hybris is on your computer? We can verify the installed version. So for this, proceed to the Hybris AWS console. Next, utilize the Hybris Admiration console to log in and select the perform. After this, select the configurations using the mouse and look for the version and build version value. The next question is, how will you start the Hybris server? So guys, the command which is used to start the Hybris server is hybrisserver.bat, and it is located in the Hybris platform path, with the help of which you can launch the server. The next question is, what is the use of Hybris Management Console or HMC? So HMC is also known as back office, and it offers a unified user interface or UI for managing all of the data types. It grants access to stores, websites, products, users, companies, and catalogs, and also can be used to handle multiple things. The next question is, what do you know about the idea of SAP Hybris Accelerator? So businesses can get ready to use omni-channel commerce solution from the SAP Hybris Commerce Accelerator. With the help of tools and templates provided by this solution, businesses can offer outstanding customer service. The next question is, how can you extend existing functionality in Hybris? So Hybris event system is one way to add the new features and improve the existing ones. The request processing lifecycle generates many events that can be monitored using the event system. So when those events occur, you can implement your own logic to respond to any kind of query. So the next question is, what are model attributes used for in Hybris? Many JSPs can share the same small data set by using model attributes. When this occurs, no information is transferred to the DTO. All of these capabilities can be derived from JSPs and tag files. The next question is, what are the SAP Hybris product e-commerce capabilities? The Hybris product suite covers the capabilities of the SAP Hybris product for e-commerce, such as B2C commerce, which is business to customer. Then you have omni-channel fulfillment, product content and catalog management, creating contextual experiences, and so on. The next question is, exactly what does SAP Hybris search feature do? The SAP Hybris search service, accessible through Hybris Cloud, is a powerful tool for increasing brand recognition and sales. A company risks losing customers and revenue if it provides search results that could be clearer. Using SAP Hybris Commerce search results to advertise products and categories is simple for businesses. Businesses' bottom lines and customers' shopping experiences both benefit from this. The next question is, what do you mean by Solar? So SAP Hybris frequently works with the robust Solar search platform. It has a powerful search interface that can be modified to meet the needs of any kind of application, and it can index large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. The next question is, SAP Hybris employs which search functionality? To provide the most relevant results for each query, it employs a synonyms and stop words feature in its search section. A business can raise product visibility using SAP Hybris Commerce built-in search features. The next question is, what are relation and collection types in Hybris? So Hybris allows you to create comprehensive mappings because each type of relationship can have its own table. Hybris various collection options display a group of items that may or may not be identical. The next question is, what do you think Hybris promotion management means? The SAP Hybris promotion module allows non-technical business users to create new adaptive and dynamic promotions. Within the modules promotion section, you will find a wide variety of promotion templates and promotion rule builders for defining the criteria. The next question is, how can SAP cloud-based applications be expanded? The Cloud Application Studio provides access to an SDK to develop applications in the cloud. To better SAP cloud solutions like the SAP Hybris Cloud for SAP Business by Design, this can be used by the SAP customer base. Modifying the core SAP cloud solution is possible with SAP Cloud Application Studio, allowing businesses to ensure compliance with the regulations and industry standards. So legal, customer, or industry-specific factors may justify these extensions. The next question is, differentiate SAP Hybris and SAP C4C product family. So both are management solutions built on the customer relationship management or the CRM model, with the primary distinction being whether or not the solution is installed on the client's local machine. SAP C4C offers robust marketing, sales, and service applications, whereas SAP Hybris focuses on cloud-based products like revenue, service, commerce, marketing, and cloud-based sales to customers. The next question is, what steps must be taken to create a workflow rule in SAP Hybris? So in work list, choose new from the list of workflow rules. Here you can type in the description of the rule that you want to find in the work list. After this, select the applicable business object and then decide when to run the rule. After this, type on create only, on every save, and schedule now. On every save will be the default setting if the time column is left empty. The next question is, what is Hybris ASM? So the acronym ASM stands for Assisted Service Module. It only pertains to the customer service and support module. ASM will always assist you in completing the order from the backend when the order is initially placed through the storefront. The next question is, explain the Hybris e-commerce accelerator architecture briefly. So there are three distinct layers present in the Hybris architecture, and those are database layer, persistence layer, and Hybris service layer. So if you talk about the database layer, so all of the information required for a Hybris commerce suite can be stored in this particular layer. Next is the persistence layer. So it is responsible for monitoring any abstractions from the database, including caching. So this particular layer is connected to the business model and the object model, which work together to facilitate the generation of results based on classifications. And last but not the least, you have the service layer. So the sole purpose of the framework that makes up the Hybris service layer is to manage the Java API used by the objects that make up the Hybris commerce suite. The next question is, what is indexing in Hybris? So it is one of the solar powered search engine variants that we employ in Hybris. So when it comes to index, Hybris will quickly pull up any new added products from the database and send them off to Solar. The next question is, how do we index in Hybris? So guys, there are a few steps that you must follow to do indexing in Hybris. So the first step is, go to the back office and sign in and click on the system in the screen's navigation tree on the left side. After this, click on the facet search and the facet search config. Next, choose the site and click on the index or hot update index. From the drop-down menu, choose the index operation type, update, full, to delete, and the catalog for index. Just below the page, you have to click on start link, and when this is done, the screen will show a message of success. So this is how you perform indexing in Hybris. The next question is, what is SAP Hybris architecture? So guys, for more reference, you can have a look at the diagram which is present on your screen right now. So the architecture of SAP Hybris includes functionalities such as persistence, security, generic logic, clustering, and caching. More than one extension to the SAP Hybris platform helps to add new services And that can be implemented with the help of SAP Hybris Commerce modules, which is similar to how CSM or the customer support module operates. So guys, with this, we have come to the end of this session on SAP Hybris interview questions. I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. If at all you have any queries or doubts related to this session, then you can write them in the comment section and my team will resolve them as early as possible. So guys, thank you so much for being with us and I wish you all the very best for your upcoming SAP Hybris interview.